Career decisions are becoming more difficult for tech professionals. But for thousands of Indians waiting for their green cards, well, the next update is even more serious for you. A new US visa bulletin has brought an unexpected setback that could delay permanent residency for many families. And ladies and gentlemen, that is our next. For thousands of Indian professionals living in the US, every month it begins with one question: has my green card moved forward? It is the question that has become part of everyday life for an engineer, doctor, researcher, manager, and highly skilled professionals who have spent maybe years, sometimes even decades, waiting for their PR. Well, every new visa bulletin, it brings hope. Maybe this month, the priority date, it will move. Maybe this month, the wait will be finally shortened. But the next update, it has delivered exactly the opposite. The US State Department has announced that EB2 category for India, it is now completely unavailable for the remainder of the current fiscal year. That means all green card numbers allocated to Indian applicants under this category have already been used. Until the new fiscal year begins on October 1st, no additional EB2 green cards can be approved regardless of how long somebody has been waiting for. Now, when people hear the word unavailable, many immediately panic. Some think their application has been cancelled, others worry that years of waiting has gone to waste. Fortunately, this is not what this announcement really means, though. It simply means that the annual quota has been exhausted. Every fiscal year, the US has a fixed number of employment based green cards available. Once those numbers are fully allocated, the government cannot issue any more approvals until a fresh quota becomes available in the next fiscal year. Well, that recent happens on October when a new batch of employment-based visa numbers is released. However, yes, there is another reason this bulletin has created concern. The State Department has also warned the EB1 category for Indian applicants is coming under heavy pressure. If demand continues at the current pace, even EB1 could temporarily be unavailable before the end of the fiscal year. Now, for many professionals who shifted to EB1 hoping to avoid the long EB2 backlog, this warning has become another reminder that immigration demand continues to outpace the available visa numbers here. And yes, there is one important point that every H-1B holder should remember. If you already have an approved I-140 petition, this temporary pause does not automatically affect your ability to continue extending your H-1B beyond the normal 6-year limit provided you meet the legal requirements. The green card process may slow down, but your underlying work authorization protection. It remains available under existing immigration law. So, what should you do? The answer is simple here. Don't panic. Don't make career decisions based on only headlines. Keep your immigration document updated. Maintain your legal status. Stay in regular contact with your immigration attorney or your employer. And keep your paperwork ready, because once the new fiscal year begins, the fresh visa numbers could become available. The process starts moving again. Now, for many families, the waiting period, it may become a little longer, but the journey itself, it has not ended. The green card process has always tested one thing more than anything, and that thing is patience. And once again, thousands of Indian professionals are being asked to wait just a little longer. And yes, the green card backlog is not the only concern for skilled Indian professionals. Even those applying through the faster EB1 category have now received a fresh warning from the US Department. And wait, here's why this matters.